Hello guys, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. I don't know how much time passed since my last video, but here I am today trying to talk to the camera again, which it's kinda hard sometimes, but I still love it anyway. I'm going to show you a mini update of my work and some new stickers. I've changed my studio a little bit, and it's not finished yet, but I will do a mini studio tour to show you guys. So a little bit of context. A few months ago I was trying to do so many things at the same time, like conciliate my day job with my personal project, with family, with friends, and illustration commissions. And I realized that I was really burned out. Full-time day job at that time was a bit stressful sometimes and very dismotivated. Nonetheless, I loved my role and what I was doing. And down the road, with so much going on, I realized that I was not feeling well, psychological and physical, to being creative again. So I needed to take a step back and I stopped everything here in YouTube, in social media. I'm trying to being productive again. I'm trying to feel inspired again, and I hope I can do it one day at a time. So yeah, what I was feeling affects me so much, and yeah, you have to take care of yourself, so don't forget that. So if you are an artist or someone that needs to be creative and feeling inspired, take a break from work and everything. Take a break, just take a break and breathe, and be with yourself, relax, reading or another hobbies you have, and get some sleep. When I say get some sleep, get good sleep. Don't be in your phone like me, watching reels and TikTok, and be scrolling for hours in the night. So have a good sleep. I'm going to show you a new packaging that I've been testing, and I really like the final result. It's very easy to make. I will use some kittens from a previous sticker sheet, and let's see the process. Here are the kittens I illustrated on a sticker sheet, and I'm reusing them in here with a blue color. I will export them with a transparent background and print. The paper I'm using is tracing paper or clear paper, which you can easily find online. The one I bought has some thickness, 110 GSM, so the printer can recognize it. Even so, in my case, I have to use a regular white sheet on top to be able to print. Just stick a bit of tape on top and it's good. And here is the final result, very easy to do, I love the finish. I will show you how I've been handling larger orders with this new packaging. This is the original sticker sheet of these kittens, little tuxedos, very cute. I still need to show my new stickers I have been working on. They are already available in the shop. Here we have a penguin saying "You are not alone", a bear with a little water reminder, a pastel kitten with a cloud, another kitten related to the Burnout theme. I will add a quote at the end, and finally another kitten with a cherry that will also have a coat. Some of these stickers I will turn into a very special new product. I'm very excited about this and to show it to you. Tell me which one is your favorite. That's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more updates, and see you on the next one. Bye!